it's Mr. Gravo. I hope you kids get set up making a Google form for our Keep 3 project. So on a new tab, type in forms.new. So this is going to help us create a blank Google form. So the first thing I want you to do is right up here where it says untitled form, let's do Keep 3. I'm going to do my focus is going to be ice cream toppings. Now, some different ideas that you may have, that I have, excuse me, for your Keep 3, you could do carnival foods, items at a fast food restaurants, dipping sauces, characters from shows, things to do in the summer, vacation destinations, potato chip flavors, dips, holiday foods. You could do like 9 truths and 3 lies about yourself. Most annoying, worst chores, Keep 3 like chores. Pizza toppings, sandwich stuff, ice cream toppings, athletes, sports teams, movies, game systems, games, nail designs, shoes, different types of cereals, countries to visit, different types of sunglasses. I got candy. Like maybe you could pick out different Mario characters, or you could do, if you're a big Lego fan like me, you could pick out like which 3 sets would you keep. And it kind of goes on from there. So I hope that you get the point. So Keep 3 ice cream toppings. Form description. Let's write STEM 2024, and then type in your home base, whoever is in your home base. All right. So Keep 3 ice cream toppings. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to this first question, and we're actually going to change it. So once again, you go to this first question. We're going to change it from multiple choice to check boxes. Okay. And we're going to write Keep 3 ice cream toppings. That's going to be our question. Okay. And we're going to go add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do 12 of them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. All right. So there's a lot. Now down here at the bottom, can you click required? Because we're going to require this question. And right here, can you go to response validation? Okay. So our response validation, we only want whoever's taking this survey to pick 3 of these choices. So the computer can help us with that. So 3 dots, response validation, and we're going to go to select exactly 3, and it says custom error text. So let's say somebody does 2, somebody does 5. Select only 3 choices. We'll just do a period. I don't need to yell at them. So select only 3 choices, something like that. Make sure it's nice. All right. So now option 1, let's do chocolate syrup. Okay. So we're gonna fill in our 12 different options. Okay. For me, it would be the ice cream toppings. Now, usually when you want to do a survey, you want a picture too. So this is how you can do the picture. I'm actually gonna click Control-C, copy and paste that chocolate syrup. And we're going to go to a new tab, and I'm just going to search chocolate syrup. And I want an image of some chocolate syrup. So this one looks fine. Okay. So you must click on the picture so it kind of pops up over here to the right. Right click on your mouse. It's a 2-finger tap on your Chromebook. We are going to go to copy image address. Not copy image. Don't save image as. Copy image address. Okay. So when you right click on, when you right click, you may have to scroll down a little bit, but it's copy image address. You go back to your Google form. We're going to add this image by URL. And Control-V will paste it. It usually works. If it doesn't, try a different image, insert image. Cool. Now, maybe I'll do caramel syrup. Oops, right click, spelled it wrong. There it is, caramel syrup. All right. And I can do the same thing up here. There it is. We'll go with this one. I do like caramel on my ice cream. Right click, copy image address. Sometimes you have to scroll down a little bit. Go back here, go to the add image and by URL. And go ahead and paste that in. All right, I'm going to pause this video so I can go ahead and get all 12 of mine set up. I'll be back. All right, sorry. Well, I'm back. I guess it wasn't long on the video. So I got all 12 of mine in, and let's go ahead and take a preview look at what this is going to look like. We still have some changes to make though, but let's take a look. So preview, this is what it's going to look like when we send it to other people. So you see how it wants to record people's email? We're going to fix that. But this is how it's going to look, and I can go ahead and vote for mine now, so I'll do that. So I like... we'll go caramel syrup. Big fan of sprinkles, and I like fruit topping. So if I do 4, do you see how it's coming up with this error message? If I only have 2, it says the same thing. And it won't let me submit. So even if I record, I have 4, it won't let me do it. So it's giving me that error. So marshmallow fluff, get out of here. All right, so we can submit it. Well, I can. So let's take a look back now, though. So go ahead and you can close yours out, usually like that. And we're back to our original one. All right. So now let's go to settings. This is really important that we change some of these settings to make it a good experience for whoever's taking our survey. So make this a quiz. Nope, keep that off. Responses. Let's go ahead and expand this. So collect email addresses. We don't need people's email addresses for this survey. Your classmates and your teachers are going to be doing this. We don't need to collect any of that data on who is taking it. It doesn't matter to us. So do not collect. Now it says allow response editing. No, let's keep that off. Restrict to users in Hope Public Schools and its trusted organizations. You can go ahead and turn that off because we're going to make flyers. That way, if people outside of students want to take your survey, they can. But we only want 1 response. So limit to 1 response. Turn that on, please. Cool. Now, the next thing that we're going to check out is the presentation. Now, the presentation, we don't need to show progress bar. We don't need to shuffle question orders. But what we do want to turn on is this view results summary. So this is going to make like a graph for the people when they're done taking the survey so they can kind of see what everybody else has voted. And that's fun. And then here, these defaults, we'll just leave them exactly the same. So go up to questions again. All right, so this is looking okay, but it's kind of generic. It's kind of boring. I'm going to show you really quick how to make it look better. So you go right up here to customize theme, and we're going to customize the theme. Let me move myself out of here. All right, so I can pick my font and the size. I'll just keep the size the same. The question, so STEM 2024. Oh, I wanted your first and last name and then your home base. That doesn't make too much of a difference. We'll change this to, I like that. And we'll change them all to luckiest guy. I like this. I like this font. Kind of stands out. Now I can change the color and the overall theme, and I can even add a header. So choose image for a header. So they have lots of these, right? They have a lot of already kind of generic headers for you to pick, and they're that long rectangle, which is great. But I actually want to go to upload. Oh, so all right, I'm going to do new search, ice cream cone picture. And we'll go to images and go with this one. All right. It's not really ice cream toppings, but I guess it fits with it. So I'm going to save image as. We're going to do cream ice cream picture. That works. All right. And now I'm going to browse my computer. It was under downloads. There it is, ice cream picture. Perfect. Now I do have to kind of adjust. So here we go. You can fiddle around with those options and stuff, but that works. So we click done, and that should put my heading right up here at the top, ice cream toppings. All right. So now when I take a look at it after I customize, you can see some of the changes. I got a different background. I got that header. My fonts have changed. You can always go back to edit mode to do this. All right. So this was really a fast video of how to make a Google form. It's really important that you make sure that you do your response validation. Make sure it's exactly 3. Go back on this video and rewatch if you missed something. Bye.